What you're seeing right here, ladies and gentlemen, I believe a Hoover Dam. Exactly, Hoover Dam is 1963. It's my brother-in-law Ali, Adib Haidar, and that's me when I was have a hair on my head. Long time ago. So looks so beautiful, nice view for seeing me. This is my lovely wife. She's with us on that trip. We took almost 3 weeks. And this is, I believe, we're entering here. I believe it's California. Yeah, I believe it's California. Los Angeles.
And all of this takes place in about the same period?
At the same time, 1963, I believe so. And this is, I believe, is Los Angeles, part of downtown. Sound, no voice, nothing. I took that picture in 8mm.
This is still Los Angeles?
I believe so, yes, Los Angeles.
Looks so different from today. The cars,
The 60s, yes, about what, 40 some years old. At least.
And did you do most of the camera work? You did most of
I did most of it. My brother-in-law Ali and my wife. I worked at the same time, and this is a Hoover Dam. A Hoover Dam is a one of the most wonder thing to see. Really, it's take years and years to build that dam. This is supply enough water to cover New York City for 2 feet, is what they say. And they have enough cement in it to build 2-lane highway from Los Angeles to New York City. It's that much cement in that dam. Now I believe this is Sacramento, California. I'm old now, 76, but I still have a good memory. Now back to Beirut, Lebanon. This is Beirut, Lebanon, my sister, her friend. It's 1959. This is the airport. We off of it. It's funny, we moved from California, and this is my mother. She making bread outside in front of the house. It's the bread they used to make. It's so beautiful. And this is some of the buildings in Lebanon. This is all building. This is the mosque, downtown Beirut. What is not existing anymore, disappeared from the fighting in the country. And this is a part of the ocean, my way up to the mountain where I born and raised. They call it Byblos, Jubail. It used to be the capital of the Phoenician. That's me and my wife.
I see she has a rose here, I noticed.
And this is a village, and this is part of the homes.
It's very different.
Oh, we went to see the tape and all, so that's why we're carrying it. We're carrying it up to put it back together. That's why you jump from country to country and from area to area. We're still in Lebanon.
This is still Lebanon. Looks very similar to California.
Yeah, well, the same weather. Now I believe we're gonna go back to California if I'm not mistaken, you know. Yeah.
Do you recognize any of this here?
Absolutely. I recognize it all. I wish I can go back again and see it.
Can't travel back.
I'd like to. You know, we used to live in Michigan. We drove to California. This is Lebanon here. Yeah, this is Lebanon. This is my sister home in Hickman in a mountain. That's why I was born and raised on top of that mountain till I was 15 years old. Wild west of Lebanon. Yeah. Look how beautiful the mountain is.
When did you leave Lebanon?
I left Lebanon, I was 24 years old, 23 years old. Yeah.
What's going on here?
This is 1954 Buick. This is a California, back to California, right?
Look how young you were.
Yeah.
Skinny guy.
Skinny, good looking, handsome, a lot of hair.
How old were you right here?
Well, about 29. 29 to 76, big difference, right? Okay, it's the Buick I have.
It's a nice car.
Yeah. Yeah. Nobody will buy that Buick from me. When I saw it, it said no air conditioning, we didn't want it. This is part of Hoover Dam again. Okay? This is Hoover Dam. I think everybody should see that dam. Look, at the top of the mountain. Look at that, how beautiful. See the water? All that water supply California through the desert. They have a pipe supply of big percentage of California and the water from that dam. That's my wife.
Where are you guys at now?
Now I believe we're heading to Vegas, if I'm not mistaken. We should see Vegas very soon. Yes, it's Vegas.
Dean Martin, huh?
Dean Martin, right. This is Las Vegas. 1964.
Johnny Carson.
Yeah. Sahara. Yeah. That's Las Vegas, all right. Well, we're still in Las Vegas.
Looks like you're going back to Los Angeles now.
We didn't make no money
Los
with
Angeles 20, no money. You have a big dinner party or something coming up here at the end.
Yeah, I believe so, yeah.
This might be it here.
Yeah. This is my first home. I bought 1958. A brand new home, $9,000. 3-bedroom, $9,000. My house payment was $60 a month. You believe that?
Not a bad deal.
It's a nice home for $9,000.
Wow.
Yep. And this is a preparing for a party for my brother-in-law. He's going to the service to Air Force. We have him goodbye party for him. Adi. This is in Allen Park, Michigan. It's the first home I ever bought. Believe that? My house payment was $60.
That's incredible. Looks like you got some pretty good food there.
Well, you know, you're my good cooking. This is ambassador of Jordan, his wife, Mr. Ajlouni.
There's Sito, I think, way in the back,
Yeah.
over here to the left.
This is families, Auntie Adna, Uncle Ernie. Karim Ajlouni, and his kids. And that's me in the back.
What are you doing there with your collar?
Waving to everybody,
Let's see.
trying to make it trick. Look,
Do some
see?
tricks here, huh?
Yeah. I can do it now. Look, I was 129 pounds. It's my wife. It's my sister-in-law. It's my brother-in-law, one going to the service.
And there's yours, you. I think you hit your head here, right? Looks like. There's Sito again.
Yeah. Look on your hands, so used to it.
Young, very young.
Yeah.
Both of you guys.
This is Jamil. I'm just sleeping. Yeah. It's Naima.
Are you covering your face?
She always shy.
Look at that.
It's Auntie Adna, look. It's Jamili.
Now where are we?
Now downtown Detroit. It's my brother, Mahmoud. This is Detroit, Michigan. mother-in-law, my father-in-law, my brother. It's still downtown Detroit. We're going by Cobo Hall, they call it. Oh my gosh. What a, it's a Cobo Hall downtown. This Detroit River, cross street, that what you're seeing, that's Windsor, Canada. This Detroit River again. This is a ship they call it Pablo. They take a people for tour from Detroit by Canada, by Cross Point. Show them around. It's not like Florida, but it's the highest building in Detroit, you know, the highest. This is Jefferson Street, you know, by the water.
And this is what looks like a collage of videos here. I don't know, I assume they do this. Mixing up different videos.
Well, it's mixing up different scenery because, like I told you, we have to cut it and replace it, and it's not same area. Lots of missing, a lot of good stuff missing. Good, you know. This is Detroit. We say in Detroit.
Who's that right there waving? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Now I think we go back to Lebanon. Yep. Isn't that nice? Here we go. He's back to Lebanon. He's the area, what you see right there. I grew up right there, and I lived almost 15 years out there. Yep. That piece of land used to mine my piece of land. Look at that. It's right there. See, this still in Lebanon. It's funny, you know, you move from America to Beirut.
Just like that.
Back to Las Vegas.
Coming up here on the end.
You know, technology wasn't like today, you know, you can take picture and talk. 8mm.
Where's this at right now?
This is still in Lebanon.
And
That's
so
the
a lot
one.
of this footage is no good anymore.
The
A
what?
lot of it was lost, right? A lot of the footage you couldn't convert.
Yeah, yeah.
Which is too bad, but it's good that we have some of it. I think this is pretty much the last scene right here.
Think so?
Yeah, there we go.
That's it?
That's it. Well, thank you for your insights and your descriptions. Obviously very priceless. So, thank you for doing this.
Oh, you're more than welcome. I hope you guys enjoy what you're seeing. If you have any comment, talk to you.
Yeah.
I can't remember anything anymore.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.